So I bet you're wondering, what blue switch should I get? Should I go cheap or expensive or middle or what? Well, this is a video to help you guys out. I was in this place too, like 6 months ago when I bought this Red Dragon keyboard. Hope this helps. Alright, get into the video. Alright guys, so today we're going to be reviewing Gateron, this random brand, Cherry MX, and Aotumu blue switches. So right here I have two keyboards that actually like have them. So this is a Gateron Optical Blue. I am actually planning to change this out with yellows because they're fast and stuff, and I don't really like clicky. So yeah, that's why I'm making this video. If you kind of can hear this, I'll do a full sound test in a minute, but they're like crunchy. Like if you know what I mean, like they're like crunchy blue. So yeah, these aren't the plain Gateron ones, they're the optical. And here's the test with just the switch. So compared to Cherry MX, they're much louder. Here's Cherry, and here's Gateron Optical. They're like higher pitched and louder. And then on here, on this board, that's what they sound like. So here's my board. That is the Gateron Optical Blue. And then right here I have this, I can't even read the brand name. It's like BSUR or something. Grant let me have this switch. It's from his old keyboard. It's called a Chanchao mechanical keyboard. And it's kind of a cheaper, like more budget friendly, like $25 keyboard. And it's really loud, like it's a really high-pitched one. Listen, compared to a Cherry MX. And then this one also has the little box around it, but not completely. Like you guys have probably seen Kale box. It's not completely around like Kale. It's just like a little bit. Right here, obviously I have the Cherry MX, which just came with this little switch tester that I have right here. So let me put a keycap on it. So it's actually pretty crunchy, kind of like the Gateron was. Just, you know, they're kind of similar. That's the Cherry. So the Gateron's definitely more high-pitched. And then right here, I have my Red Dragon keyboard. Here, let me turn it on. That's my Red Dragon keyboard. My first mechanical keyboard I ever got. And, so if you hear that little pingy noise, that isn't an Aotumu blue switch thing. That's just the keyboard build and how it is in there. I would like to switch it, but I don't like use this keyboard ever really. So, and then I have some custom keycaps on here. Yeah, so that's Aotumu blue. So yeah, that's the Aotumu blue switches. They're probably my favorite, honestly. Like, I just like their sound. The space bar is what I don't really like. It's not as good as the Gateron optical, but I do like these more. But I've also never tried a Cherry MX blue full keyboard, so yeah, I don't really know on that. I'd probably like it more because most people tend to like Cherry more. But surprisingly, Aotumu is better because I really don't like the Aotumu reds as much. Here's that. The reds are a linear switch. Alright guys, so I think that'll be the end of this blue switch comparison video thing. Also, I recommend you guys go get a GK61. Not sponsored or anything, but I just think it's a good keyboard. There's good lighting, good customizability. Customizability? I don't know what I'm saying. But yeah, it's hot swappable. So I'm getting Gateron optical yellows for this thing. I'm getting rid of these blues. And yeah, if you like clicky keyboards, hit that like button. Also, if you guys want some merch, link in the description. Custom t-shirts, whatever you want. Just email me or put a comment. I can make one for you. Also, I'm getting a RK61 with red switches in like 2 days on Friday. Today's Wednesday. And if you want me to do a red switch comparison between the RK reds and the Aotumu reds and then the Cherry reds, then just tell me in the comments. Also, in the comments, tell Jack happy birthday. Today's the 14th and it's his birthday, so yeah. Yeah, I think that concludes this video. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you want more of these types of videos or reviews or whatever, then hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and yeah.
Automatic bot. Semi-auto sniper, don't hit for a lot. You're a bot, you're a bot, you're a bot. Automatic bot.